Hi guys, Sarah here. Everyone's here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing our Yes Oh Yes unboxing for October 2018. If you did not know, this box is $14.99 a month with $3.99 shipping. Ends up being almost $19. I do have a code down below to save 10% off your first box. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. The theme this month, which is very appropriate for October, is called Resting Witch Face. How cute is that? I am a huge fan. It's got a little sugar skull right on there. On the back, it'll have the values of everything that we are getting in here. I won't peek because I like to be surprised. As always, I will, if I don't know if something is cruelty-free, I will put it down below. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out is a nail polish. This is from NCLA. I'm fairly certain they are cruelty-free. This is the NCLA 7 Free Luxury Nail Lacquer in the shade I've been drinking. So it's like a hot, hot, hot pink. Let me see if I can get it to show. It looks a little like more subdued pink on camera, but I swear it is hot, hot, hot pink. Yeah, I don't paint my nails as much anymore. I've been doing that dip powder thing. But this is definitely a color I would love to wear more. Probably more in the summer, but pretty cool. I like the color a lot. That is valued at, holy moly, $18. That's a lot of money for a nail polish, but okay. Let's see what else we have. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is from Mirabella, which I've never heard of. It is Lighten Up, Charmed. It's a visionary eyeshadow in the shade Charmed. So here's what the packaging looks like. Okay, so super cute packaging. Really, really liking that. It's just pink, and then it's a loose eyeshadow pot. Very, very nice sized. Ooh. Whoa, I thought it was loose, but it's like cushiony almost. This is actually cream. It looks so loose in the actual thing, but it is a cream. Super, super light. Let's see if I can get it to... There's the color. It's like baby doll pink. It's shimmery. If I would have known that was going to be cream, I probably wouldn't have opened it up. I'm not huge into cream eyeshadows. I get greasy eyelids and have to wear primer and all that stuff, so I might just give this to a friend. Okay, so I was reading the lid. It says, want to stay fresh, keep me on the jar, but it's like backwards, so it took me a minute to read it. So yes, keep the lid on to keep it fresh. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. Okay, so it looks like I have a brush. It is a, oh, this is nice actually. I don't have a brush quite this small, so I'm excited. This is from Skone. It is a smudger brush. It's just a nice little pointed brush. I do know this brand is cruelty free. That's cool. Excited to have this. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I'm so silly. The eyeshadow is valued at $30. Okay. This is $30 for one color. That is bananas. Okay. The brush is valued at $20. Okay. Sorry. $30. Okay. Two more things. Okay. The next thing is from Stiks. Their packaging like reminds you of like an old school harmonica. Like that's what it reminds me of. Okay, so Stiks is a lipstick. I'm pretty sure they are cruelty-free. The color is called Tangerine, and I'm not going to swatch this because I'm never going to wear this. Okay, I will show you what it looks like. It does not look as bright on camera as it is in real life. This is like neon orange. Like, wow. Which is great for Halloween. Like, honestly, I think it goes really, really good with the Halloween theme. but I just know I am not going to wear this. I don't think I have the skin tone for orange, so excited to get it, not going to wear it. I'm going to put that right in the packaging and probably put that into a giveaway. Okay, this lipstick is valued at $20. Okay, I have one more thing, and it is a palette. It's the City Limits palette by IBY Beauty. There it is. Really cute. I think this is now, I don't know how many palettes I have by them, but I have quite a few. I actually really like their palettes. I don't know, I just really like them. The pigment is good. They are very blendable. I've never been disappointed in one of these palettes, so let's go ahead and see what this one looks like. Oh, nice. I feel like I have shades very similar to this. Let's go ahead and show you what it looks like. There's what the colors are. All right, I can go ahead and swatch these for you. Give me just a second and some arm room. Okay, so here's all the swatches. I know they're not the greatest swatches. I tried to keep the shimmers on this side and the mattes on this side. I did get a couple wrong, but they are super pigmented. I really like this color right here called VIP. The blue looks really nice. And then this color called Fire and Ice right here. Let me see if I can find the swatch for that. It is this swatch right here, which it has like a greeny brown to it. So it looks totally like a different color depending on which light you're in. Totally, wow. Like that's a very cool eyeshadow. Not disappointed by this. This is valued at $28. Can you imagine like this one eyeshadow, which I didn't care for, wasn't super pigmented, $30. This whole palette of really awesome colors is $28. So that's crazy. So yeah, overall, the total value of this box is $116. The values of these boxes are always there. Like I really like this box a lot. I like that it's like, I had never even heard of IBY until I got Yes Oh Yes. I'm pretty sure they were the first box I ever got one of these palettes in. And I mean, just yesterday I used the Desert Vibes or something, whatever it's called. Just use that palette. Like I really like these palettes. They're some of my go-to palettes. But yeah, overall, really like this box. I would totally recommend it. But that's all I have for you guys today for this unboxing. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you would not mind. It would mean so much to me. And then if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, I got lots more coming up. It's the end of the month. All my boxes are starting to finally flow in. If you want to see more of those, go ahead and hit subscribe right there. That would be awesome. But that's all I have for today's video. I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.